This is TECNO Pop 7, and today I will show how you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So first, my advice is that you turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi for this feature to properly work. Then expand the control panel, touch and hold your finger at the nearby share shortcut over there. Then turn this feature on by toggling this switch. From here, you can rename your device if you want to. You can manage its visibility and configure its visibility as well, and modify the data mode that will be used for the file transfer. Once everything is set up, let's quickly test this feature out and see how well it works. So here's the screenshot I just took, and I'll try sending it through the nearby share to my TECNO Pop 7. So as you can clearly see, the image was sent and received successfully, so that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.